Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the TurboTax payment failed problem step by step. Yeah, if your payment isn't going through, it can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to finish filing, but most of the time, it's actually a simple fix once you check a few important things. So first, double check your payment details carefully. Even a small mistake in your card number, expiry date, CVV, or billing address can cause the payment to fail. Yeah, it sounds basic, but this is one of the most common reasons behind the issue. Next, make sure you have enough balance in your account and that your card limit hasn't been exceeded. Sometimes, the payment gets declined simply because of insufficient funds or daily transaction limits set by your bank. If that looks fine, try using a different payment method. You know, switching to another card or payment option can quickly solve the issue without needing to change anything else. After that, clear your browser cache or try a different browser. Stored cookies or outdated data can sometimes interfere with secure payment processing and cause errors. Also, if you're using a VPN or any browser extensions, go ahead and disable them temporarily. Yeah, these can sometimes block or interrupt the payment connection without you realizing it. So, yeah, those are the most effective ways to fix the TurboTax payment failed problem. In most cases, these steps should help you complete your payment successfully without any extra hassle. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.